Letter to your friend condoling with him on the death of his mother. First write examination hall, then the name of city, then date. Dear friend, I had a sudden shock when I read about the untimely demise of your mother. It is really a great loss. My dear, no one exception to death. All are to join the majority, so try to bear this loss patiently. Your mother was very kind hearted and good natured woman. She was a model of modesty. A number of poor women depended upon her. She would manage the dowry for the poor girls. She regularly contributed to the cause of Islam. Now we can only pray for her. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Amen. I deeply condole with you on this irreparable loss. I shall be with you in a day or two, condoling with you once again. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like this letter, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.